Now I will show you how to extract numbers from string in Excel using VBA or Visual Basic application. We have two processes to view the Visual Basic editor. We have shortcut, press Alt and F11, automatically it will give you the window for Visual Basic application. Another process, as you can see here, we should process on developer tab, but here no developer tab. Now we will view our developer tab. Just click this file, options, customize ribbon. Then here, as you can see, developer is unchecked. Just click this one to make checked, then okay. Look here, there's no developer tab, and if we will click OK, automatically it will show us the developer tab. Just click this one and Visual Basic. Look, Alt F11 or just click this one. Then select this worksheet, this one, sheet 1, then right click, then insert, then module. Now let's start. We type our function extract number, open parenthesis, then cell reference as string, close parenthesis, automatically give you a functions. Then next is dim string length as integer, string length equal length, this is the length of our cell reference string. Then total loop for I equal 1 to string length. Then now we will extract the number. F is numeric, open parenthesis, mid, then R cell reference, comma, I, comma, 1, left, then close parenthesis, then the result equal result, and mid, then again our cell reference rather, then I, comma, then 1 and close parenthesis. Then next I, then extract, well, extract number equal the result. We will save this one. Don't forget to extract numbers from string, and also in reverse we will extract also text from string. Don't forget to save as type as macro in order to run our function. Okay, this is the function to extract. Now I will copy this one because we will use this one. Then we'll open to our worksheet here. Now I will take some text to extract here. These are the string. We will extract that one, this number. Again, I will press Alt F11. I just copied this one. Type equal, then Control V. Look, it show our function here. Even we will type here extract, automatically it will show our function. Just hit the tab, then select the string or our reference, and then close. Look, if I will hit enter, look, this is it. It's showing our number extract from the string. If I will type here, and let's say I will 77 38. If I will copy or drag this one, it will extract also number. Now we will extract also, instead of number, we will extract the text. Okay, again we will go to our VBA editor, Alt F11. We'll just only copy this one. Instead of extract number, we'll replace to text here. Then instead of numeric, we will change to if not, then we will put some open, and of course here we need to, because 1 2 3 open parentheses, so we need to close also here 3, and here extract text we will replace here. So almost similar, the only thing is this one is numeric, here if not is numeric. Okay, let's save. We will delete this one. Now we will use extract, instead of number, extract text. This is our function. Tab and select the string or our reference and hit enter. Look, it's here. This is our extract text, and we can use also here extract number. Just again equal extract number, just select this one, enter and enter. So we have two functions to extract text and number. Thank you and God bless.